Easy baked smoky barbecue ribs, so juicy and delicious. Here is how I make it. To start the marinade, I will start with soy sauce, olive oil, apple cider vinegar, honey, ketchup, and then I will give it a mix. And then I will start with paprika, black pepper, onion powder, Worcestershire sauce, lemon and herbs, Maggi sauce, and endly I added garlic. Now that is ready, we have to start brushing on the meat. The meat is already fixed. I already fixed it, and now it's ready to start putting the marinade. And I started with front, and now I'm gonna turn it on the back side. When I finish brushing, I have to cover it with a sling wrap, and I'm going to keep it in the fridge for 2 hours. This is the leftover of the marinade. This you can use it for on anything, any meat, anything you want to use on. Is very good. Now it's after 2 hours. I have to take out the sling wrap and put the meat on a baking tray. Make sure your oven is heated before starting cooking, and I will cook on 180 degrees Celsius for an hour. Here I have the side which is plantain. While waiting for the meat, now we have to start peeling plantain and cut them into this shape. This is the shape I like to cut for this meal, but you are free to use any shape you like. I am going to sprinkle some salt on top, but usually I put salt into water and then I will sprinkle on top. But this one, it's also good and it works good with it. This one, I'm gonna add some oil into frying pan and then starting adding plantains inside. When it's ready on one side, you can just turn it on the other side. When you see the color changed into a golden brown, that means it's done, and start taking them out from the pan. Now plantains are ready. As you see, the color is looking so yummy and goldish. And also our meat is here, guys. Look how juicy and yummy is looking. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. And also don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.